Quinoa is one of the most nutritious foods in the world. And if you talk about protein, it's a plant protein which is a whole or complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot make on their own. The amazing fiber content in quinoa can also help with cholesterol and blood sugar levels, lowering the risk of diabetes and heart diseases. So let's make this power packed recipe together. Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I've taken 1.5 cups of quinoa. So this is exactly 200 grams of organic quinoa. Now, quinoa contains a saponin coating, which is a natural plant chemical and is very bitter in taste. So please make sure that you rub and wash it thoroughly for at least 2-3 times before cooking. This was the first tip. Now, the second very important tip is do not forget to soak quinoa for at least an hour before cooking. This is because soaking it helps to remove some of the naturally occurring phytic acid in the grain, which helps to improve digestibility and speed up the cooking time. Now go ahead and add a teaspoon of oil and a pinch of salt and simply cook it as we cook our normal basmati rice. That means take double the amount of water and boil it rigorously, and once the water comes to its level, simmer the gas and cover it for 10 minutes. Then once it is cooked properly, take a fork and fluff it up from all the sides. Now let me show you. When quinoa gets these sprouty white strings on it, that means it's cooked properly. Now leave it as it is and let it cool down to normal room temperature. Now in a separate pan, roast handful of peanuts until golden brown. Take it out once done. In the same pan, add mustard seeds, let them crackle and add finely chopped onion. Saute until golden brown, then add green chilies, followed by some carrots, bell pepper or capsicum and green peas. Here you can take the vegetables of your own choice as well. Add some salt, then lower the gas, place the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Once the vegetables are done, add in the cooked quinoa and mix it well. Make sure your quinoa at this step is at room temperature. Now here comes another tip. You can pre-cook the quinoa and store it in refrigerator for few days and make lot many recipes out of it whenever required. Okay, now add roasted peanuts, some jaggery powder which is optional, salt, coriander leaves and lemon juice. Mix everything together and serve this finger-licking powerhouse of nutrition and enjoy. If you haven't yet started, please start consuming quinoa as it might contain anti-cancer properties, lowers cholesterol, helps improve thyroid, prevents anemia, regulates blood sugar, suitable for celiac disease, and lot much. That's all for today. If you like the recipe, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.